Ngavana wa kaunti ya Baringo Stanley Kiptis ni anyitanire na aruna ake kuma kaunti itiganite hari kurugamia ucini na ukuui wa makara. Akiaria gicigo-ini gia Kituro Baringo ya gatagati, Kiptis ni amenereirie utemi wa miti mwena ucio akiuga ni uracungiriria kuhuka kwa njuui.
In fact, we instructed the police that if they find anybody carrying any form of charcoal, they must be arrested immediately. And if somebody is not working or doing what is supposed to be done, we shall ask that person why. So we stop the issue of charcoal panning and transportation of charcoal from Baringo County.
Oho, Kiptis ni ugite thirikari ya kaunti yo ni kwambatiria gikiro kia mathomo mwena ucio, utungata ugima wa mwiri, o undu umwe na kuria muingi wakuo kwiyandikithia na mubango wa NHIF niguo kwamukira urigitani na njira igwete.
In fact, the national government has given us free secondary education. So people should not actually be destroying our forest in the name of school fees. Now, the government of Kenya has actually contributed a lot to free secondary education.
Kaunti ya Baringo ni kaunti iria ikoragwo ari kirorerwa kuri agendi kuria ni mucii wa iria ria Baringo.